In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add customer login on Shopify. Adding a customer login makes it easier for shoppers to sign in, view their account details, and move through checkout with a smoother experience. This is also helpful if you want returning customers to access saved information, order history, or other account features your store supports. To get started, open your Shopify admin. From your admin dashboard, go to Settings. In the Settings area, find and select Customer Accounts. This is where Shopify lets you control how customer accounts work across your online store and checkout. Once you are on the Customer Accounts page, look for the section labeled Accounts in Online Store and Checkout. In that section, click Edit. This opens the specific options that control whether customers can see and use an account login while browsing your storefront and during checkout. Now find the setting that says Show Login Link in the header of Online Store and Checkout. Toggle that switch to On. Turning this on is what actually makes the login link appear in your store header so customers can easily spot it without having to search for it. It also helps create a more consistent experience between the storefront and the checkout. Next, review the sign-in method and access settings on this screen. This is where you manage how customers will sign in and what type of access they have. For this setup, you will be using the traditional email and password login method. This is the standard option many shoppers are familiar with, and it works well for stores that want a classic account sign-in experience. After you have confirmed the settings and the login link toggle is enabled, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and applies them to your online store and checkout. As a quick tip, after saving, it is a good idea to visit your storefront in a new browser tab and check the header area to confirm the login link is visible. If you are not seeing it right away, refresh the page to ensure the latest version loads. That covers everything you need to know.